Alright, so after watching the video and listening to the song, go ahead and mark positive or negative for A through G. Pause the video, fill out your answers, and then start it back up when you're ready. Alright, for part A, a positive divided by a negative would be negative. Part B, a negative divided by a negative would be positive. For part C, a negative divided by positive would be negative. Part D, positive divided by positive would be positive. E, a negative times a positive would be negative. Part F, negative times a negative would be positive. And part G, a positive times a negative would be negative. Okay, so let's take a look at the next example, negative 18 times 3. I'm going to go ahead and multiply like normal. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 would be 5. My product is 54, but because I have one negative and one positive, my answer is going to be negative 54. Let's take a look at the next one. Negative 4 times negative 30. I know that 4 times 3 is 12, so 4 times 30 is 120. Because both of those are negative, my answer is going to be positive. All right, let's take a look at the third one. 22 times 5. I'm ignoring the signs for now and I'll place that at the end. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Because I have one positive and one negative, my answer is going to be negative 110. All right, let's take a look at division. I have negative 27 divided by positive 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. And because 1 is positive and 1 is negative, my answer is going to be negative 3. On the next one, 12 divided by 6 is 2. And because both of my numbers are negative, my answer is going to be positive. On the last one, 56 divided by 8, the answer is going to be 7. But because I have a positive divided by a negative, my answer is going to be negative 7. Go ahead, pause the video, and try the problems on your turn. Then when you're ready, unpause it and go through the answers and see how you did. All right, negative 10 times negative 55. I know that 10 times 55 is 550. And because it's a negative times a negative, my answer is going to be positive. On the next one, I know that 36 divided by 9 is 4. But because I have a negative divided by positive, my answer is going to be negative 4. All right, take a minute. Make sure you have the right answers. If you missed it, go back and figure out what you did wrong. And if you got it right, you're ready to go on.